Hey guys, it's Spencer again from the California Walk-In Store, here to talk to you guys about the Condor MOLLE horizontal holster. It's actually pretty cool. It's fully adjustable and it holds your gun on your chest rig or your plate carrier horizontally, obviously. So you got a quick draw. It's got these snaps in the back, so you can pull out your pistol real quick, have it ready to go. And this is where it adjusts. So you can put any kind of pistol in there. I've even heard of a deagle being able to fit in there. It's a pretty nice holster. It's only going for about $17 online. You should come in and check it out. All right, guys.